Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Fablab Kamp-Lintfort. This is Professor Carsten Nebel. My name is Martin Kreimann. I'm the Fablab manager. We started our lab in 2014 as part of the initiative Zukunft durch Innovation and the global Fablab network. Since then, we've been running workshops about digital fabrication for pupils and teachers. Our initiative inspired the university to establish two more Fab Labs, the Green Fab Lab and the Fab Lab Blue. On top of that, we've been supporting more than 20 high schools to have their own Fab Lab. To get an impression of our work, please watch this video.
Thanks, Martin, for the introduction. I'm Carsten Nebel. I'm the director of the Fab Lab here in Kamp-Lintfort. It's a pleasure to be here. Thanks for inviting me. As for many people, a Fab Lab is not just a place full of machines. Indeed it is, but for us it's an open space. It's an open space to learn, to share experience, and to gather new insights, to gather new skills. Of course, as we are a university Fab Lab, our focus primarily is the students. But not only. We are open. We are an open space. We are an open lab. We are open to our students. We are open to pupils and teachers from schools. We are open to industry, and we are of course open to the society, to the citizens in the region. So for us, and Fab Lab is an open space, and this is really important. We have student courses which are integrated into our curricula, for example. So we have roughly had about 50 courses on digital fabrication integrated into our study programs. We do offer workshops almost every week for schools and pupils, teachers in the schools. We have the open lab where everybody can come and do things that he or she ever wanted to do. And we are offering advanced education on digital fabrication, which is called the Fab Academy. So we have been the first ones in Germany offering Fab Academy to the community. Fab Academy is a really broad, extensive program of digital fabrication, almost 6 months of intense working on digital fabrication skills. And it's open to everyone. It's open to our students. It's open to everyone, even from companies and industry. So taking this into account, all these activities of empowerment, we want to skill people. We want to bring digital fabrication into the people's mindset and skill set. We want to enable people to become innovators, to become makers, to make the world a bit better. To give you a glimpse of an idea how people perceive this experience being in this Fab Lab, watch this video. The specialty on this Fab Lab is the interdisciplinary skills that we try to combine here at this university, at this Fab Lab situated at the University of Applied Sciences. We do have designers, psychologists, computer scientists, biologists, and all work together to make the world a little bit better.
I was a researcher in Italy for 3 years and I did the Fab Academy. And then after this beautiful course, I decided to change my life, resign my contract and come here into Kamp-Lintfort Fablab to work.
I have different backgrounds as well in my career, and I thought that I can apply this in the Fablab. So I see that I can develop as well a lot of prototypes, combining a lot of techniques, materials, and also making different kind of innovation.
Really nice people here. I think that's the community factor is very important to me. It's just fun. Whenever I'm here, I don't feel like I'm working, but I'm learning new things every day and having a good time doing it.
The benefit of being part of a university is there's basic funding. So students, people, whoever comes to this Fab Lab not necessarily has to pay anything to do things, to make things.
People come into the door, they have no idea how to use any of the machines, but they're excited, and that makes you excited. And when you teach them how to use it, they make amazing things, and that makes me really happy.
Most of the children studying now, they will have a job which at this moment not even exists. But what we know about this job is that it would be a great thing dealing with this digital means and this additive manufacturing.
We enable people to become makers again. So my grandfather used to be a maker. He was able to do almost anything. And during the time, I think people just forgot and didn't have the capabilities anymore to do whatever they have in mind. And with today's technology, we get a kind of reimburse. We get back the possibility to do things we want to do.